Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel. If you're new, my name's Shireen and I talk all things sewing and homemaking. So if that's something you think you're into, then I would love if you join the sewing family. But today I've got a delivery. I have seen some autumn pieces that I am quite excited to attempt to make, and I've seen some fabric inspiration as well, hence the order. The order I actually made specifically for a dress that I'm going to be making, actually with you guys. It's going to be a sew along, and it's actually the one you voted for, which is the Gracie dress, and I'll pop a picture up here just so you can see what that looks like. But I wanted to get a very particular fabric for it, kind of a cotton linen blend, and I found a couple of options. I ordered a couple of options, saw a few other fabric bits that I really like the look of, and so yeah, I just thought I would pick some other bits up as well. So first things first. Oh, and actually, before I forget, I thought I'd tell you what I'm wearing now. So this is the thrift flip that I did from the Zara skirt, and the video should be up already, so I will link that video down below. And this is kind of the finished look, and I'm just loving it. I just want to get all the wear out of it. I also think I'm going to take this on my holiday because I really love it, which is in quite a few months' time, but anyway, I'm prepared. And yeah, so loving this one. I've worn this a few times already and I just think it's just brilliant. It's got kind of a bow detail at the back here to kind of keep these together, but they can also be off the shoulder if you want to as well. Yeah, so just loving this. Let's do the haul first. So here is the delivery, and this is actually going to be a first impressions because apart from one piece which I really remember because I really loved it, I actually don't remember what's in here. So this is actually a new place I've not actually ordered from before, and delivery wasn't too bad actually. I just had the free standard delivery. The delivery is actually really reasonable. I think it was like £2.95 if it's under £50. And if it was over, I think it's free, so not bad. We'll start from the top. So the first one, oh, it's quite tightly packed. Oh, how have they done it? Fine. Oh. Right, so this first one is actually a little bit more of a suiting fabric, and it's really lovely actually. I really like the quality. Let's see if it cannot focus on my face. It's like a pinstripe grey and white. I was thinking when I bought this for it to be a little bit more of like a structured shirt or long sleeve blouse for the winter or autumn. Not necessarily for work, but actually it could work quite well for, oh no, hang on, have I just shown you the wrong way out? Oh, no wonder I was thinking it was quite light. Sorry, hang on. They folded it inside out. There we go. That's what it actually looks like. It's just a slightly darker grey. Yes. So yeah, I thought this would look quite nice as, yeah, like a blouse with maybe puff sleeves, just because I think this fabric would hold a puff really, really nicely. I think I got 2 meters of this. It was quite inexpensive. Let's see. Oh, no. It's in gibberish. We're not looking at the invoice. Right. But yes, that was the first one. I think that would be a really nice top for a structured top. Maybe even a short puff sleeve top with a shirred waistband. That would look really cute. Trousers, I think it just has a little, it's too stiff I think for trousers. But could look really cute as a paper bag pair of shorts actually. So even as a matching top and bottom, that could be quite cute. Or even as a corset. Could look really good as a corset. So yeah, lots of options there. Obviously for any of the fabric pieces that I show you here, just let me know if you've got any ideas. I love to also be inspired by you guys, so if you have any particular thoughts, let me know. Fabric number 2 is actually the one that I'm planning to use for the Gracie dress, which I'm going to be doing a sew with me with, so you guys can join. It's a free sewing pattern, so you can print and cut ready, and then you can watch the video and do it with me. Oh, I like this one. This is very nice. Let's see, I was a little bit concerned it might be itchy. No, it's not. So I chose this striped fabric, and I don't know if you can, I don't know if the camera would pick it up on here, but can you see there's a little sort of glittery pinstripes going through? And I just thought this would bounce off a lot, especially for a summery dress, really, really nicely. But I also think it's that sort of colour that you could actually carry this through into autumn, winter with some chunky boots and still look really nice. It's very soft. I was not expecting it to be so soft. I don't know if this is cotton. Okay, so this was, oh wow, okay. I got 3 meters and actually it was only £1.20 a metre. Isn't that crazy? How? Sometimes I wonder just how. So this is polyester actually, but I mean, it feels so soft. Like I wouldn't have thought that's polyester. It's super soft to the touch. And actually I really think it would drape really nicely because it's just so flowy. Look at that. How soft is that? It's a little bit sheer. No, not really actually. No, I wouldn't say it's sheer. It does let light through, but it's yeah, you can't see anything through. Or can you? Can you see me? No. Yeah, I love this. I think I'm gonna get more because that's really lovely and soft. And even if I have this as kind of a toile fabric, it would be a wearable toile. It'd be one that I could actually wear and it would look really nice, and it's just still super affordable. So I love that. Okay, so next fabric is a jersey. And there's quite a lot in here. How much of this did I order? So I ordered 2 meters and 2 meters £3.88. So that's pretty good. So it's this. Just make sure I'm getting the right way out because I think they're folding it the other way. Yes, they are. So it's this lovely jersey fabric, and it's got these little speckles in it, like little brown speckles, which, I don't know, it looks really nice. I love that sort of, okay, sorry about that, my battery died. And as we did that, the rain has now poured, which wasn't even on the forecast. I have no idea. I literally had to run outside and grab the laundry. Anyway, so yeah, the next one is this lovely jersey fabric, which has these lovely little mottled, not sure that's the right word, but it kind of gives it this very rustic sort of casual look. It is quite thin. I would say it's more of a summer jersey than it would be for any autumn winter, but I thought this would look really nice as a dress or as a top, simple t-shirt. And yes, I picked that up as well because you can't go wrong with a light coloured jersey, to be honest. I think it's a really versatile piece. And yeah, I thought I would make something a little bit more casual with it. And again, I think I got quite a lot of meterage here. But yes, I'm not sure what to make with this. I was thinking maybe just a normal tee or a long sleeve top, because that would also go really nicely into autumn winter as well. Yeah, again, if you have any ideas, guys, let me know what you think. Because even actually with this, even a bolero style long sleeve top sort of coming like this and going around the back and long sleeve will be really practical for like evenings, holidays, just when it gets a little bit chilly and you just want to pop something over your arms, even on a dress, not a dress, but even on a garment like this one where your kind of arms are out, you can just put something over your shoulders. That could be a really good option for this one as well. Right, this one is a little bit of a wild card. I saw it and I thought that could actually look really nice or really bad when it arrives. This is the problem with online shopping, is I don't feel like it's easy to understand what you're buying because there's so much that goes into a fabric, such as the weight, the density, how it falls, the drape. Oh, there's just so many things. And sometimes it's just too hard to know online, and even sort of the picture quality can be really variable, and so the colours might not be that accurate, and it's just a minefield sometimes. So this one was a little bit of a let's see what happens. And actually, but it is darker than I anticipated. So it's this fabric. So yeah, it was £1 for the metre, which is really good. I don't know if you can see on here. Try and show you the phone screen. Can you see that that looks a lot brighter than this? I mean, to be honest, I like the fact that it's a bit more muted because it means it's more wearable for me. I do like more muted tones, but yeah, not what I was expecting. But that's okay. I do really like this because, I don't know if you can hear, it's like a semi-shirting, I would probably want to say. I think it's called a taffeta. Yes, a taffeta. So I just thought this would look really nice as, what was it called? I'm gonna put a picture up here of the free sewing pattern that I've got in mind that I showed you on my free sewing pattern video that I think this would look really nice with. And I think because it's quite structured for a thin fabric, I think that the ruffles on the bottom of it would be really nice and it would have a really nice structure to it. That's that one. I thought this would look really nice as a top that, again, if I make it long sleeve, could go really nicely into autumn as well. Not too thick, nice and fine, nice and lightweight. So if you wanted to pop just a vest top underneath, you could, or if you wanted to put a long sleeve top underneath, again, you could, and it would work really, really well. I would also be quite tempted to try doing some sort of cuffing detailing, some interfacing with this, because I think that could look quite nice as well. So again, quite happy with that one. This one I mainly bought because I wanted to trial it for a potential as a twirl fabric, because again, I think this was really, really cheap. Yeah, it was £1.08. So I wanted to just have a look at a couple of different fabrics to see if, you know, I could make wearable twirls with these fabrics. And this one is a beige polyester, and it has a very slight, I don't know if you can see, texture to it, almost like a crepe texture, but actually it's really lovely material. Very, it looks like it's not going to crease easily, which I think is brilliant. We love a difficult to crease thing. But yes, I actually really like this. I think this drapes really nicely and actually could look really nice as a cowl neck top. I think this is a winner actually in terms of a taffeta. I know generally it should be a cotton and, you know, yeah. But I mean, as long as it's not stretchy, to me it's good enough to know whether or not a pattern is going to work or not work. So that was that one. And this one I really like, and it wasn't one that I needed. It was just screaming to me. I thought this would be really nice for summer actually. Let me just show you. So this is a ribbed striped jersey, so stretch. I thought this would look really cute as a halter neck top. Yeah, I mean, I really like this. I think I bought a couple of meters of this one because, again, it was inexpensive and I really like it. I don't know what I want to make for this one either. I think I will do a halter neck top. I've got a halter neck top kind of in a very similar fabric but in a navy version, and I have worn it on repeat on holidays for years. It's just that perfect heatwave top. I might even try and do the same cut and fit as that top, just because I know I'll get so much wear out of it. It's actually a really nice quality fabric actually. I'm quite surprised. I love this one. Love, 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 love. And if you don't know, this is my favourite colour. This mustardy yellow is like my absolute favourite colour. I think it goes really well with my skin tone. It's so warm and fun and colourful for me. I love this. So this one's a winner, and actually I probably should have got some more. Yeah. Now this is the one that I paid a little bit more for. It looks nice. It's a 100% cotton gingham fabric, which is navy and kind of a cream colour. I don't think the cream is really picking up on the camera, but it is kind of an off colour. It's sold out already. Like I said, I'm trying to be really good with not buying any new fabrics. I kind of wanted to get an idea. Well, first of all, I really wanted to get this one anyway as the main one, and I really wanted to get the striped fabric, which is going to be for the Sew With Me next week. I also wanted to order a couple of almost like samples to try and bulk order for like drafting and making twirls and that sort of thing. So I kind of wanted to have a little feel first. But yeah, I don't think that was too bad as an order, and So yeah, for any of these, if you have any particular ideas, I would love to hear them. I love just getting inspired, and I love hearing things that you guys come up with that I maybe haven't thought of, so that's great. So that was the fabric portion.